Shalom. Welcome everyone to the Torah study hall for Shavuot here at Nahar Shalom. Just to give you the idea of the size and the beauty and the investment of the Yeshiva in the Torah and in the learners of Torah. This will be full with action on Leil HaChag. And as you can see, it's all ready for the learners, and there'll be pseudot here, all kinds of divrei Torah from all the different rabbanim from all over Yerushalayim. They come here on this Sunday night for Hag Shavuot in the honor of the Torah, in the honor of that man, Rav Mordechai Shirabi. And we're all blessed to be here in whatever capacity we can. Hag Sameach to Kulam should be a true Torah, receiving something that we've never received before, and it's all united. The past, present, and the future are one in the eyes, in the heart, in the soul of our God. Hag Sameach.